This football automation channel has generated over $30,000 in just a few months, purely through ad revenue. Its most popular video, uploaded only 3 months ago, has crossed 1.7 million views. With the football niche averaging an RPM of around $7, that single video earned over $7,000. The entire channel, over 3 million views in record time. But this is not only one channel making this money. These results might seem extraordinary, but they're absolutely achievable. If you've ever wondered how football channels consistently make money off clips, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the exact steps to start your own football automation channel, covering everything from branding and creating thumbnails without Photoshop to crafting engaging, monetizable content. Not only will we address every technical detail, but we'll also highlight strategies that maximize your efficiency and results. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to launch a channel capable of earning consistent revenue, even if you're starting with 0 subscribers. The first question I'm sure you have is, how is it possible to make money with simple football clips? Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it takes. I'm going to share the tools, the tactics, and the secret sauce that can get you started today. You don't need a massive following to succeed, and in fact you can start earning with 0 subscribers. Let's dive right in and set the foundation. Step 1 is choosing a strong, memorable channel name. Your channel's name will represent your brand, so pick something catchy and relevant to football. If you're stuck, a tool like ChatGPT can be incredibly helpful in generating creative ideas. You can ask for suggestions based on your niche, whether it's focusing on controversial football moments, match highlights or classic plays, and get several options that resonate with your audience. Once you've nailed your channel name, it's time to build your identity. I'm talking about branding, logo, profile picture, and channel description. You might be thinking, but I don't have graphic design skills. Don't worry. Tools like Leonardo AI and Canva can take care of that for you. Start by asking ChatGPT for design ideas based on your football niche. For example, if you're focusing on legendary football moments, your logo might include a ball, a trophy, or a player in motion. Once you have a design idea, use Leonardo AI to generate a high-quality image in just a few minutes. The key here is simplicity. Your logo needs to be recognizable even at small sizes. Once you have your logo, upload it to YouTube Studio and customize your channel layout. Add your logo, choose a unique YouTube handle, and write a captivating description that tells viewers exactly what kind of content they can expect. But it's not just about looking good. You need to optimize your channel for discoverability. Tags are a crucial part of this. YouTube uses tags to understand what your content is about and to recommend it to relevant audiences. Add tags like football highlights, top 10 football moments, or legendary goals to help YouTube's algorithm make sense of your channel and serve it to the right people. Now that you have your channel set up, it's time to talk about the meat of your content, the videos. This is where most creators go wrong. Many attempt to upload raw football clips, hoping to attract views, but doing this could lead to your channel being flagged for copyright infringement. So, how do you get around this? How do you use these clips legally and still get approved for monetization? First, let's talk about where to source your football clips. A popular site among football creators is Footballia. It's a massive library of football matches, which can be an incredible resource for your content. However, Footballia doesn't offer a simple download button for clips, which leaves many wondering how to get those videos. The trick here is to use the network tab in your browser. When you play a video, open your browser's developer tools, navigate to the network tab, and look for the MP4 file. Once you find the right file, you can download it directly. But don't make the mistake of uploading raw clips as is. For your content to stand out and remain compliant with YouTube's policies, you need to transform these clips. The most effective way to do this is by adding commentary. Whether you're offering analysis, sharing insights, or simply providing your take on key moments, commentary gives your video originality. If you don't want to use your own voice, AI-generated voiceovers are a perfect solution. I recommend 11 Labs, which offers ultra-realistic, human-like voiceovers. It's a tool that can elevate your content and make it sound professional. Now let's talk about editing. I can't stress enough how important this part is. Even if you have great clips and commentary, poor editing will ruin the flow of your video. I recommend using CapCut for editing. It's a free, intuitive tool that's perfect for beginners, yet powerful enough for experienced creators. Start by importing your clips into CapCut and trimming them. Remember, the key to keeping your viewers engaged is pacing. For wide-angle shots, don't let them linger for more than 5 seconds. For close-ups, aim for around 3 seconds. After trimming, think about rearranging the order of the clips. For instance, if you're showing a goal, you could start with a celebration and then cut to the build-up play, which adds suspense and drama. You can also crop your clips creatively. Crop the video so that it focuses on a specific player or action instead of showing the entire field. This makes the footage more engaging and avoids triggering YouTube's copyright system. Another effective editing trick is to add on-screen text. For example, during a controversial offside decision, you could add a quick caption saying, "Was this offside?" to engage your audience and prompt them to watch closely. Once your editing is complete, export the video in high quality. I recommend 1080p at 60 FPS for the best look. But we're not done yet. SEO optimization is crucial at this stage. The right title, description and tags will determine whether your video gets seen. I highly recommend using VidIQ to help with keyword research. Search for high traffic, low competition keywords in the football niche and incorporate them into your title, description and tags. Thumbnails are another essential piece of the puzzle. They're the first thing viewers see, and you need them to stand out. The easiest way to create an attention-grabbing thumbnail is through Canva. Use it to design a high-contrast image that features key moments from the video. For example, a player celebrating a goal or a dramatic offside call. You can also add text overlays such as "the most controversial goal ever" to create intrigue and draw people in. Remember, the goal is to make the thumbnail visually appealing so viewers can't resist clicking. Now let's talk about monetization. Once your channel hits 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you'll be eligible to apply for YouTube's partner program. But football content often has a higher RPM, revenue per mille, than other niches, meaning the potential for ad revenue is significant. As you build your audience, the revenue will stack up. But ad revenue isn't the only way to earn. Affiliate marketing is another income stream that can help boost your profits. You can promote products or services that are relevant to your audience, such as football courses, gear, or even betting apps. You'll earn commissions for each sale made through your referral links. I've even found courses specifically for football creators that you can promote to your audience. Don't stop there. Merchandise is another option to increase your earnings. You can use print-on-demand services to design and sell branded football-related merchandise, like t-shirts, hats and mugs. These products can become a great source of passive income, especially once your channel grows. Lastly, one trick I wish I knew from the beginning: building an email list. This is one of the most effective ways to keep your audience engaged and ensure your content gets the attention it deserves. Offer a freebie, like a football video guide or ebook, in exchange for email sign-ups. This way, you can directly communicate with your viewers and drive traffic to your videos without depending solely on YouTube's algorithm. By following these steps, you'll not only create a successful football automation channel, but also set up a sustainable source of income. With the right approach, you can build a channel that generates revenue consistently and autonomously. Now it's time to get started. Implement these strategies, stay consistent, and watch your channel grow.